And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
A very unfortunate situation, too. Those same areas that had devastating tornadoes in Georgia, South Carolina, Louisiana, and Mississippi are under the gun again for this very moment with severe weather happening in South Georgia right now, the tornado watch and even tornado warnings. The system that brought the severe weather to Deep South is what's responsible for the rainfall that we had today. Obviously, we didn't have the severe side of it, but certainly a murky day with the fog and the rainfall. And another round of rain awaits for tomorrow night. But in the meantime, that drizzle, fog, and mist is pretty much what we have in the cards for tonight and tomorrow. And the temperatures will hardly move. Some mid-40s now, down a few degrees tonight, back up a few degrees tomorrow. Not a lot of movement when you have this kind of pattern. A lot of cloud cover at night helps that out. Winds out of the northeast, too. When you get a little gust, like right now, about 5 to 15, but when you get that occasional gust, especially like in New Bedford or Fairhaven or Dartmouth, up to 20, 25, it makes it feel pretty cool outside. When you have those northeasterly winds, it's usually because there's an area of low pressure just off to our south. The flow around the low is counterclockwise and breaks those winds either northeasterly or easterly, and that's what we have out there right now. It also usually means we'll have some low clouds, some drizzle, some mist, some fog, and even a few rain showers, and we've had all of that today. Right now, you can see that area of light rain. It is extremely light rain, and it really is going to be just falling in the form of mainly some drizzle and mist overnight, not any kind of big-time rain event until tomorrow night, when our next system, on the heels of the first one, moves in. A low pressure way up in Minnesota will kind of drag a low pressure that will work off the coast and eventually bring some heavy rain in here as we go into Thursday night, some rumbles of thunder and some breezy conditions. So what to expect? A dreary run for tonight and tomorrow before the next round of rain Thursday night. Some of that rain, it looks like the heaviest will fall after midnight, even more towards like 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning into Friday morning. There'll be some rumbles of thunder most likely, and we could enhance the winds a bit when we get that heavy rainfall. Gusts could be about 25, 30 miles an hour late Thursday night into Friday morning. In the meantime, temperatures generally in the low 40s tonight. If you dip back into the upper 30s, you'll be the exception rather than the rule. And then murky, cloudy tomorrow, but a little bit better in the temperature. Today we got stuck in the upper 40s. Got a chance to go low 50s tomorrow. It's not great, but some fog and not a lot of rain tomorrow until tomorrow night. So your planner, you wake up 42, 47 by noon, 52 by 5 p.m. Those showers will likely be very close for the evening commute, but I think they'll hold off. Much of the rain will hold off until later that night. So a few little pesky showers here this evening, otherwise just kind of cloudy. You see some showers early tomorrow morning. Most of this activity will stay north of us along the Mass Pike. That's why I've kept it just cloudy throughout much of the day. By about 4 o'clock, you see some of those showers working into areas of Rhode Island. It's not widespread rainfall, and therefore holding off until the evening when the coverage expands a bit, and most of Rhode Island and even parts of southeastern Mass. At this point, it's mainly just some light rainfall. But by the time we get to midnight, look off to the west, you can see a little bit more in the heavier rain, and that will advance closer to the area. So sometime by about 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, a little burst of heavy rain, get a little rumble of thunder, have a little bit of lightning, pick up the winds a bit, and then watch this thing eject out of here really quickly so that by Friday morning, most locations by noon are already drying out. And the best part is we're also clearing out. There's a slight chance of a shower late in the day that will stay north and west of us for the most part, and that's why I think by Friday afternoon, with temperatures in the 60s, the rain moving out, the clouds clearing out, Friday afternoon could be very sneaky and nice. Same exact thing happened last Friday as well. What a great way to kick off the weekend, right? Before a few showers on Saturday. That is not a washout. That is one of those where if you can dodge all the little isolated showers, you'll have some sunshine. It turns out to be a nice day. Really nice Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and warmer with temperatures 60s to near 70 by the middle of next week. Tiffany.
Look at that. Thanks, Jeff. Still to come on ABC6 News at 4 with